Do you want to know how you can add password on your QuillBot account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add password to your QuillBot account. Go ahead and open QuillBot.com on any of your browser and log into your account. The next step is to click on your profile, which you can see on the top right hand side, and go to account details. After you go to account details, you can see the add password option. Go ahead and click on it, and you can set up a new password and confirm the new password just down the box below. So go ahead and write down the password which you want to choose and check your password once. Then go ahead and write down the same password on the box down below, and after both of these matches, click on add password. So you can see that you must log in again to add password. So let's go ahead and log out of our account once again and go to login with Google. After that, you must select your Google account. So go ahead and choose your Google account. In a while, you will be logged into your QuillBot account. Then go to your profile, go to account details and click on add password. Go ahead and type in the new password which you want to choose. Check your password once. Go down and write down the same password. After you do so, check the password again and then click add password. And there you go. You have just added the password to your QuillBot account. Now if you want to log into your account, go ahead and click continue with Google and select your account. After you have selected your account, you will be logged into your account once again and you have added your password. So guys, this is how you add or change your password on QuillBot. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.